Morning all. Well, today I've gone south. I've gone down to Prow, and I'm just throwing myself up a little mountain, which is it's like a beginner's road really. It's designed, or it's been graded for a lot of traffic, because I think it's sort of like a tourist destination at the top. But I'm quite some way into it. I didn't bother filming it, although it's quite watchable really. But bung the camera on because I've got a couple of kilometres to go. Let's see how we get on. Beginner friendly. Doi Mon Lan. Interesting chunks of rock everywhere. Sawing my way up here. That's a tire buster. Put a few bits of cement in here. Poor old Honda, he's right on the throttle stops. Give it what you got, boy. Kind of mini-tron friendly. I can send her up here on the GPX. It'll only take half a day to get here. It's getting cold, people. It's getting chilly. Quite know what that one is. I'm going to have to refer to the map. Oh, I must have just come down there. So well, kind of. Don't know, I can't read that. Let's just go this way. It's very cold now. To a fair village. hit a village here. Wow, the view's getting good. Hey, it's wet here. We're here. I don't know, must be a viewpoint. Ha ha ha, viewpoint. Well, I suppose that'll do for the first bit then. Well, no, it won't actually, will it? Because we've got a viewpoint. Let's go have a look at the viewpoint. Stay out of Thai people's pictures. Oh, oh, what a view. What a view. It's a shame I can't zoom this in, because this is amazing. I do believe the road goes out. Can you pick that little brown bit up there? That's part of the road. And then out to there. I can kind of see a road all the way over there as well. Wow. Let's carry on up the hill then. Don't interrupt the kids' party. There's some like chalets and stuff there, look. That looks very nice. So what's this telling me? Well, nearly 1.7 kilometers yet. I've had that before on mountain things. You think you're at the top, but you're not. bungalows there. Fantastic view. Even more. Bungalows, bungalows everywhere. Well, this is part of my domestic touring series, where the Prime Minister suggested that people go touring inside Thailand. I hope nobody's home because I'm just about to wander onto the porch. Now that is a view. Look at that, people. I do believe it's empty. There's a lock on the outside. Wow. All you need now is a big fridge full of beer. And nothing to do. Moving on. Let's get to the top of this little tourist area. See what we got. Oh, those tires, yeah, they sure wore down quick. Definitely cool up here and in the shade. On my introduction video, I'm pretty sure this was in the clouds. Oh, they seem to have lifted now. Cloud? That was the cloud we were in. I can probably guess I might have oh wow, this is great. I am just gonna it says Doi Mon Lan up there even more yet. Where I am now, I can see the bottom. I'm kind of, what do you call it, parallel with the bottom of the cloud almost. I wonder if I can get up a bit higher. This says even more. Well, this is the campsite. I see no place. splash. I bottled it. This is it, people. 16.95. Oh no, it's not it. There's another one over there. Oh well. Viewpoint number 1. Mon Lan. Relana National Park. Twist. Yeah. Yeah, there's the cloud, look. Oh, I kind of missed it, I think. It's cleared off before I got here. That's a shame. Let's just clear this lot. There's that view again. Oh, we're up another 50 odd meters, I suppose. There's the buildings down there. They've had a fire come through here. That's shocking, isn't it, really? Look at it. You can see by all the brown and the trees all down through there. Look, they've had a fire come through here. Oh dear. Look at this lot, all scorched up. Stay in there, it's all glistening like creosote. It's cold. It's really cold up here. Amazing stuff. Right, that'll do for this bit then. I'm going to crack this off and then I'll walk over to the other side and see what that viewing platform shows me, because that's the other side of this range of mountains. In a bit then. Oh, actually, that's cool. I'm just watching the... I'm literally not that far under the clouds now. I shall be back in the winter. Right, let's go to see the other side.